Hello everyone, this is in continuation with our topic logarithms. The next question is, given that log x equal to m plus n and log y equal to m minus n, find the value of log of 10x divided by y square. So first of all, whatever is given, we'll write that equal to m plus n. When something, the base is not given, it is considered as base 10. That means I can write this exponentially as x equal to 10 to the power of m plus n. Similarly, log y, which is given as m minus n, considered to be base 10, that can be written as y equal to 10 power m minus n. So this means I can say 10x is equal to 10 times 10 power m plus n, which is 10 power m plus n plus 1. Now, this means y square equal to 10 power m minus n, the whole square, which can be written as 10 power 2m minus 2. Therefore, 10x by y square is equal to 10 to the power of m plus n plus 1 divided by 10 to the power of 2m minus 2n. That can be written as 10 power m plus n minus 1 minus 2m plus 2n. So that is nothing but m minus 2m. So it becomes minus m. And then n plus 2n, it becomes 3n. And then the minus 1 is there. Therefore, logarithm of 10x by y square is equal to logarithm of 10 power minus m plus 3n minus 1. This will also be base 10. That means I can rewrite it as minus m plus 3n minus 1 logarithm of 10 to the base 10. This second term is nothing but 1. So it is minus m plus 3n minus 1 times 1, which is, I can write it as 3n minus m minus 1. That is the solution for this. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.